Hello everyone. The chairperson of the inquiry into the fitness of the public protector to hold office, Dyantyi, has refused to recuse himself from the proceedings. Dyantyi said there was no basis for the call by suspended public protector Mkhwebane, as there was no application that had been placed before the committee for his recusal. In a letter to Mkhwebane, Dyantyi said that on Friday, at a committee meeting, he had asked that she must move her application for recusal by the afternoon. Mkhwebane had not filed an application. He said he would not voluntarily recuse himself until there was an application that would have to be considered. The letter stated, "I reiterate that unless or until such time as the allegations on which Advocate Mkhwebane seeks to have me recused is properly placed before the committee in an application for recusal, I'm not in a position to consider voluntarily recusing myself. According in the absence of a written application, I cannot consider a request that I voluntarily recuse myself," and point out again that at hostage have you been impeded from bringing such application, fully setting out the reasons for such application and evidence to which consideration can be given. The committee operates in the public domain. Evidence placed before the committee becomes publicly available. Mkhwebane has stated that the late ANC Member of Parliament Tina Joemat-Peterson, Dyantyi, and the party chief whip Phemi Majortina had tried to bribe her with 600,000 rands to make the inquiry go away. This was done allegedly through Mkhwebane's husband David Skosana, who had met the late Member of Parliament Joemat-Peterson. In another letter to Mkhwebane, Dyantyi said the Section 194 inquiry would continue its work. Dyantyi said there was no way they would allow this process to be stalled after months of delays. He stated, "Given all the financial and human resources plowed at the expense of taxpayers into this process on the side of Parliament and the PPSA, which has ensued for more than 11 months since the inquiry commenced, the committee must complete its task. I remain obligated to take all necessary steps to ensure that a report be provided to the National Assembly as per the Constitution and Assembly rules. This means that the committee must conclude its work and provide the National Assembly with a report for consideration by latest early August 2023 so that this matter may be finalized prior to the end of your term of office in October 2023. This letter date has always been known. You, as the subject of this inquiry, have been suspended for more than a year now, and you have the right to have this matter brought to finality. If we fail to do so, it leaves you in the position where this matter will forever hang over you." He said they would need to ensure that the process was completed by early August for the committee to table a report in Parliament. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.